Hello family and welcome to my channel. Did you see it? Are you loving this? Well, I will show you exactly how I made this. So these are the vegetables I'm using: broccoli and carrots. I'm going to be using all this, and I know you know them: mushroom, ginger and garlic, and sweet bell peppers. Okay, and this is my marinated beef. So I'm simply going to season my water, allow it to boil. I am going to blanch my vegetables. This is just to add extra flavor to it. And when it is boiled, I'll take it off and rinse it with cold water to stop the cooking process. Okay, I'm going to add a little oil, so I'm using olive oil, but feel free to use any oil of your choice. I'm going to pan-sear this meat. Yes, I'm going to pan-sear it, and please note that your pot will get burnt. Yes, so but this my pot is actually let me leave that comment. So here I'm going to be making the sauce. So I'm going to be using all this sauce. So the first one was sesame oil. I'm going to be using oysters oil and soya oil, a little bit of salt, a little bit of sugar rather, and water and cornstarch. Now the sauce depends on the thickness or the lightness on how you want your vegetables to be. So you can add more or you can reduce. Just use your descriptions to do it. Okay, so this is just to thicken your sauce. Now you can make it more celery if you want to use it with rice, which is exactly what I did. So when I'm done mixing it, mix, make sure everything is properly dissolved. Then I go over to my meat. This time around my meat is cooked. So this meat should take at least 20 minutes to get cooked. Okay, so I had to pan-sear my shrimp. I took it off the heat just for 2 minutes. Then I added my ginger, my garlic, and I'm going to fry. Make sure it incorporates so much. Then you're going to add your fresh pepper, which is optional, and the next you're going to be adding is your mushroom. So at this point I needed to add my mushroom because mushroom has water, so I needed to stir fry out all the water. Then I added my onion and my bell peppers. At this point in time, people should start asking you, baby, what is cooking in that kitchen? And if you have watched up to this moment, you have not subscribed to my channel. What are you waiting for? Don't you like my recipes? Please now, just subscribe, okay? Just subscribe so that YouTube will push my videos to all, okay? Please try and subscribe. And thank you for being a returning subscriber, okay? Please, thank you so much. I love your videos. At this point, I'm going to be adding my vegetables, which I blanched and stir very well. You can now, at this point, add your meat and season a little bit. Remember, we have oyster sauce which is not yet added, so we can season a little bit to make sure that everything tastes well. At this point, add a little bit of salt and some seasonings. Stir very well. Allow it to cook for some time. Yes, this stirring process is very important. Allow it to cook for some time. Then you add your celery. Now this celery, remember I told you it just depends on the way you want it. It could be thick or it could be lighter. Okay, so I added my celery and I stirred and covered a little bit to let it cook for some time. Did you see how good it's looking? Oh, this vegetable sauce was a banger. It was a banger. I'm telling you, you can use it for rice, for beans, for pasta, for potato, for plantain, anything you want, and it is very healthy. So you can actually make meat stir fry, you can actually make chicken stir fry. So this is beef stir fry, veggie stir fry, and you can see me trying to dish it to enjoy with my well cooked rice. Guys, this is a banger. Well, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, subscribe to my channel because I will be giving you a lot of recipes. Okay, so thank you for watching. I know you love it. Please drop a comment. Whatever you think, drop a comment. The recipe you want me to make next, drop a comment. I would love to read all your comments. Thank you so much. Give this video a like, please. Give it a like and share this video. Okay, thank you and see you in my next video. Bye.